morning students. Today we are going to see about reproduction in plants. Okay. What is reproduction? Reproduction is a essential feature of all living things. Reproduction, the second one, reproduction is a vital process. Reproduction is a biological process. Okay. Next one, reproduction is play an important role in the for evaluation. Okay, reproduction is two type of reproduction: asexual reproduction, another one sexual reproduction. Another one sexual reproduction. First we see that asexual reproduction. What the asexual means absent of sexual reproduction. So this type of reproduction is involved in single parent without involvement of gamete. So single parent involved without involvement of gametes. Without involvement of gamete, which to produce a perpute in own species without involvement of gamete is called asexual reproduction. In lower plants, fungi and animals to follow the many different method of asexual reproduction. For example, formation of conidia and fragmentation, regeneration, binary fission. Okay. For first we see some methods. First one, formation of conidia. Example, Penicillium and Aspergillus. Second one, fragmentation. Example, Spirogyra. Third one, budding. Example, Hydra. Fourth one, binary fission. Bacteria, example bacteria. Regeneration. Planaria. Okay. These are many methods. Okay. First one, formation of conidia, example Penicillium and Aspergillus. Second one, fragmentation, example Spirogyra. Next one, budding, example Hydra. Next, binary fission, example bacteria. Next one, regeneration, example planaria. These are followed by the asexual method of reproduction. Okay. The individual form this method all are morphologically and genetically identical. So it is called clones. What is clones? Clones means the individual formed by this method, they are morphologically and genetically identical, so it is called clone. This is very important. 1 mark. Note it. Next one, vegetative reproduction. Next one, vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction. Okay. First see the vegetative reproduction. What is vegetative reproduction? in natural vegetative reproduction is formed a sexual reproduction in which a buds grow and developed into a new plant. The buds grow in many places such as root, stem, leaves. Okay, at suitable situation, the new plant detached from the parent plant to grow into a new plant. It is called vegetative reproduction. Okay, vegetative reproduction is three type. First one, vegetative reproduction in root. Vegetative reproduction in root. Vegetative reproduction in the example Murraya, the plant name Murraya. Murraya in Tamil name Kaattukariyalai. This is a plant of Murraya. The vegetative reproduction in root. In some plant, adventitious bud or vegetative buds. What is the meaning of adventitious bud? Means Tamil name Marchida Vergal அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். The name in some plant adventitious root அப்படினா மாற்றிட வேர்கள். Adventitious root are developed on the root. When a suitable stage, the root processing buds are detached from the parent plant and start to develop a new plant. Start to develop a new plant. Example Murraya. For example, the young root processing buds are developed in this root system. The young plant growing from the root. Okay. So, when a suitable situation, the root processing buds are detached from your parent plant to start to develop into a new plant. Okay. Next one, vegetative reproduction in stem. Vegetative reproduction in stem. You have already studied in 11th standard many types of stem modification. Okay, the first one rhizome, corm, tuber, pulp truncated, runner, stolon, offset, sucker and axillary tuberous. These are the example of vegetative reproduction in stem. Okay, first. In some plants, adventitious root or vegetative buds are developed on the stem. When at a suitable stage, the adventitious buds are detached from the parent plant, start to develop into a new plant. For example, first one rhizome. Okay, the example Chinjubar abysmale, Tamil name Inchi அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். So terminal bud is it is developed from a stem region. Okay, at suitable situation, the bud detached from the parent plant start to develop a new plant. Second one corm, Tamil Tharayadi Kilangu அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. Colocasia, Tamil name Karanai Kilangu. Okay, the adventitious bud are developed in the terminal bud. Next one tuber, Solanum tuberosum. Urlakilangu. But the adventitious bud are formed in the eye of tuber. Okay. Next one pulp truncated. Pulp truncated na Tamil name Kumil Tandu அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. Allium seba is a pund. The adventitious root are formed from this the pulp truncated. Okay. Next one runner. Runner means Tamil odu tandu. Okay. The botanical name Centrella ascetica, the Tamil name Vallarai Chedi. Okay, the adventitious roots are formed developed in the runner. Next one stolon fragaria. Stolon அப்படினா வேர் விடும் ஓடு தண்டு அப்படினு தமிழ் நேம் சொல்வாங்க. The example one kind of strawberry. Okay, the adventitious bud are developed in the stolon. Next one offset. Offset அப்படினா நீர் ஓடு தண்டு அப்படினு தமிழ் நேம் சொல்லுவாங்க. The Pistria statius அப்படினா இதுக்கு பேரு தமிழ் நேம் குளி தாமரை அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. இதுல vegetative buds are developed on the offset. Offset na the word then the vegetative buds develop in the offset. Okay, next one sucker. Sucker அப்படினா தமிழ்ல தரையில் உந்து தண்டு அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. the example chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum அப்படினா செவந்தி செடி. Okay, the vegetative buds developed on the sucker. Okay, another last one axillary bulbs. Okay, இது தமிழ் நேம் சிறுகுமிழ் மொட்டுகள் அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. இதோட டிசோரியா பல்பேரியா, இதோட தமிழ் நேம் காய்வள்ளி கொடி அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. So this type of plant vegetative buds are developed in the bulbil, the சிறுகுமிழ் மொட்டு. Starting the bud bulbil to develop start the buds in bulbil to develop a new plant at the suitable situation, detached from the parent plant, start to develop a new plant. The auxiliary buds from the nodes of rhizome and eyes of tree bud to give you rise a new plant. Okay, next one reproduction, vegetative reproduction in leaf. Vegetative reproduction in leaf. In some plants, vegetative advantageous buds are vegetative buds developed on the leaf. For example, Priaphyllum. Tamil name Ranagalli. The Priaphyllum solvangale katti potal kutti poduven. That kind of plant. Okay. The reproduction by leaf. The advantageous buds are developed in the margin of the leaf. So it is called as epiphyllous bud. So the advantageous buds are developed from the margin of the leaf. So it is called epiphyllous bud. At the suitable stage means the decay of the old plant. At the time of form a root system to develop a new plant. These are the main important point of vegetative reproduction in leaf. Okay. Again I repeat one more. First reproduction is two types, asexual reproduction, another one sexual reproduction. First we see the asexual reproduction type, one vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction is three types. Vegetative reproduction in root, vegetative reproduction in stem and vegetative reproduction in leaf. Okay, thank you.